Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to unlink your Google account in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to unlink the Google account. At the top right, you can see the settings button right here. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, do note that there are lots of options, but right now all you guys need to do is focus on this thing called as account. Click on it, and guys, this is it. In the account section, do note that there are lots of options ranging from simply deleting your account to registering your email address. But right now all you guys have to do is simply scroll down, and right here just below Apple you can see something called as Google, and right next to it you can see the unlink button. Click on it right now, and as such you will be provided an option to unlink your Google account. But do note that in my case, this service can't be unlinked as line requires at least one form of account verification. Denote that in order to do that, you guys need to have connected your Apple account and such. Well guys, that is it. That's how you unlink your Google account in line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.